Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to buy something on Wallapop. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into this website called es.wallapop.com. Once you are logged into it, we need to go and search for the thing we would like to buy. Let's go for this one. So now simply click on buy over here. So let's click on continue after choosing the shipping address. You can choose paying before staying or you can simply pay in person as well. Simply click on continue and finally click on continue here. So now we need to enter our card details and click on continue, after which the product will be bought. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.